Welcome to our festival. So it's the 12th. You see the way I'm repeating this 12 because it's very, very important. Yes, so this is our New Yam Festival and you're here. Please tell us your name.
My name is Barrister Ann Mohammed.
Whoa, we have a barrister in the house.
And I'm the third runner-up, 40 and Fabulous Season 2. Yeah.
40 and Fabulous. Ndị Igbo anyị chee ka ngwa unu. Ife ọ na-akọwa bụ na ọ nwere arịrị 1, arịrị 2, arịrị 3, arịrị 4. Please tell us where you're from.
Okay, I am from Kogi State. I'm an Igala. I mean, you can see I am repping my culture big time.
Oh, this is amazing. So she's preserving culture by wearing the very fabric that they are known for. So turn around, let's have a 360. Oh, that's amazing. This is such a wonderful way to preserve our culture. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
All right, baby.